So this video is going to show you how to take your transactions from ZipForms and go ahead and have them digitally signed. I'm sorry if the camera is moving around a little bit. So you have a transaction set up and you filled out each one of these documents, okay, and you're ready to go. So what you're going to do is you leave them all the way they are and you click this e-sign button over here, okay? And when you click that, you're going to hit new, okay? And it's going to automatically grab the documents that were already in the queue that you had set up. You can click up here to select all of them, or you can select the ones that you want. For this case, I'm just going to pick a couple of them to show you, okay? And you can also scroll down over here if there's any other ones that you're missing. And then you can hit close. Okay, and what it does is it creates a packet, okay? Now there's a choice right here under the name of the packet. You can leave that the same. Signing service. Instead of digital ink, it's a lot easier for people to use DocuSign, and we get it free with Coldwell Banker, so you might as well choose it, okay? And then you have all of these documents here. Okay, it shows the ones I've selected, and there's a little trash can icon over here if I had to get rid of any of those. Then I go up here and I select next. You can also go directly to DocuSign.com and you can log in that way if you want, okay? Now, I don't have people set up right now because I'm doing this as a test. So I'm gonna create a new person. And I'm going to put Nicole and pretend like it's me for the first person. And I'm going to hit add signer. Oh, and I'm going to put buyer as the role. Add, okay. And then I'm going to add the second person. Let's just say that Bob Smith was the second person. And again, I'm doing this quickly. So make sure you're typing everything. Oh, sorry. Smith is down. The last name's down here. Smith. And we'll do buyer, and we'll do an email we'll do my email again just so that we can get through this. Add signer, and I'll put buyer 2, add signer, and then I'm going to hit close. So you've got the two buyers set up, Bob and Nicole. Then I go over here to next. Okay, it's loading DocuSign. It's connecting to your account. Okay, now just so you know, up here in the right-hand corner, it's always going to select the first signer. But when you're ready for the other person to sign, you can select Bob as well. Okay, so this is all going to be filled out on your documents. But let's just say we need Nicole and Bob to sign this. Let's go with Nicole first, the yellow dots. And we need Nicole to initial. So we're going to click once on initial, and then we're going to bring it right here. And then let's just say we need Bob right next to Nicole. And you can go all through and do Nicole's initials first and then Bob's separately. Buyer, boom. Okay, and you're going to do this for all of your documents. So all of your documents, they're going to be down here like they're in one big document, okay? So then when you're done, you're going to hit send over in the right-hand corner. And it's going to pop up and it's going to say that it's now over, and click to close, which is right up here. And then your documents have been sent. The other way you could do it, let's just pretend we're going back to our transactions. And I'm going to choose my test package again right here. Okay, and I'm going to be here and I'm going to go to my documents. What I can do is open each one of these. This is what I've done. And I can up here save as a PDF, and I'm going to save it to my actual computer. I hit save. I download it. And then to me, this is just sometimes a little bit easier than going directly from. And I'm going to go ahead and save that to somewhere on my actual laptop. Let me just go to desktop so I can show you what I'm talking about here. Okay, I'm going to save it. And then what I can do is I can go right up here and go directly into my DocuSign account. And this is, I don't know, this is just easier for me. You can hit new, and when you say send a new envelope, that's a new deal, like a new deal that you need signed. And then you upload your PDFs, okay? Upload them all there. You put the signing order of the people, okay? You can select as many people as you need. A lot of the times if I have to sign a document, I put myself as the first signer, and then everybody else is second and third, so that I make sure that it's actually going through, okay? And if you have the order signed up as first, second, third, the first person has to sign before the second person actually gets it. And then everybody will get a copy. And then you can put a little message here of what it, if this is buyer agency needed to be signed, and then in this message box, please let me know if you have any questions, blah, blah, blah. But this is just another way to do it. So just giving you a heads up. If you have any questions, let me know.